Hi there, my outdoor cooking friends. Long time no see, so to speak. Just arrived from the post office since I got a package today from Trangia. Let's see what's in this little buddy and do some unboxing. All right, follow me. All right. Oh, autumn is here, but winter is coming. So let's see how we prepare for that. First out, winter attachment. It's a winter kit for the 25 and 27 series, or of course the other triangle or the mini Trangia as well. We'll leave it there for a moment before we open that. And what's here? The mess tin. Large mess tin with a handle. Very nice. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. Yeah, put it there before we open that. And what do we have here? Yes. This is the spare kit for the multi-fuel burner. There's a lot of spare parts in it with jets and the pad, the soaking pad for priming, a kind of seals, a couple of seals, and this so-called flame holder for the burner. If you lose this, yeah, then you can't get the burner to work. Good to have. Let's see if we see something more. Oh, how nice. Yeah, this is actually the reason why I did this order, because one of the employees at Trangia, Malin, she announced in a fan group on Facebook that she found some old patches with the Trangia logo, and she gave us a code for 20% discount if we order, and that should be included. Very cool. There's something more in here. It looks like candy, I think. I have to look that up. Or I think we look at that immediately. Yeah, some small candy. Thanks. Thanks, Trangia and Molly. Very nice. And of course some stickers. White and black Trangia sticker. That's nice. Let's do some serious unboxing of the rest of it. Good. You start with the mess tin. Handle. Protection. Oh. Whoa. A lot larger than I thought it was. Okay. Okay, there we have it. Mess tin with the handle. Well, you might wonder what the thought is of this. My plan is that I could store food in it, or ingredients that I could cook later. And of course it's handy if you get some leftovers. You could put it back in there and eat it for later, or make some you have pre-made food at home that you bring out and you just heat it up on the stove or over open fire. That's the purpose. It is a little bit bigger than I thought. Not sure how I could compare it. It's the candy box, size of a match box. Yeah, they have a smaller one as well. Very nice. And let's go for the winter attachment. There's a bottom plate for the stove. However, immediately when I pushed the order button, I regret that I didn't order one of these extra, because they are very handy as a plate. Use it as a plate to eat on. It's very lightweight, sturdy, and the meaning of it is to sit on the bottom of the stove to reflect heat or keep cold out under the stove. Bag for the alcohol burner, nice. And then to the trick. This is actually a standard alcohol burner, but the trick is this part attached to the burner between these two grooves, and there's a pad below, so you can have some alcohol in that and light it, and you preheat the burner, and then it blooms up a lot faster in the winter. Easier to fire up the stove, and faster as well. Very nice. All right, I think that this spare part kit, it's not, I will keep it in the bag, so in that way. Yeah. All right, that was all for today, folks. See you on the next one.